In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy GitHub project on Netlify. So let's get started. So firstly, go to netlify.com. So go to the official website, and then once you're here on the official website, so what we're going to do is going to click on, click on get started, and you will go to this page here, the sign up page. And once sign up with GitHub, and then once you click on that, so you're going to take you to the authorization page. So what we're going to do next is, once this loads, so okay, you need to give the authorization to link it with your GitHub. So what you have to do is click on authorize Netlify, just authorize it, and then click on it. And then once you have authorized it, so this will initiate the authorization process. Next, if this is the first time that you are logging into Netlify, then you might need to provide some details of you, so like your name and all those things. So just do that. Okay, once you're done with that, then you can choose, like, just answer these questions here, and then we can proceed with it. So give a name to your project, to your team. So give a name to your team, so just give that, and then click on continue to deploy. Okay, and then you go to select GitHub from this, so choose the GitHub project, and again it's going to ask you for an authorization, so just authorize it and proceed. Click on authorize Netlify, and then complete the authorization process. And then you'll get to this installation page here. So here you can choose what you want to deploy. So if you want all the repositories, you can select all, or if you only want a selected one, you can select this option here, select a repository, and then select the repository that you want to do. So for example, I will just select mine here, select the repository. Once you have done that, hit on install. Okay, and then you go to authorize with your password, which you can just do that, and hit on confirm. So next, we are almost done. So what are you going to do? So that's the repository that I choose. So just click on it. And then finally, what you have to do is simply click on this deploy option here, and that will do the deploy for you. And that's basically pretty much it is.